Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Said. Today I'll show you some shortcut keys of Mac OS Ventura 30.2. You may not be used or not familiar of this shortcut key, so you must know about these shortcut keys, which will be easy to your Mac. If your trackpad or your mouse is not working or not available, so you can use your keyboard to do this function on your shortcut. So let's get started. First of all, so first is option command D to show or hide the dock of your main screen. Just press this key, the dock will be hide or show. You don't need to enable or disable the dock station from your Mac. Second is command option command S, show or hide slide bar in the Finder. So it will look like this. The sidebar will be hide or shown the Finder window. Number third is command plus J, show view options. If you want to maximize or minimize the view of any icon or any picture, so you can just type this shortcut key. The view option will be show up. You can maximize the item view from your Finder window or any window of your download or some. Next is command N to open a new Finder window, not tab, to open a new Finder window. You just need to press this command N. The new Finder window will be open. You can add multiple Finder windows on your Mac. It will look like this. Second is command T to open a new tab. Previous we discussed about new window, and this is tab. You can open a new tab in the Finder window. It's same. You can use this key to open new tab on the Safari or any window. You can open a new tab in the same window, not separately. Next is shift command N, create a new folder. If you want to use a shortcut key to create a folder, you just need to type this command. A new folder will be created on the existing location, which folder you have want to create. Next is option command L, open the download folder. It is shortcut key to open the download folder. You don't need to go to go menu or then open the download folder or go to file or something else. You just need to use this shortcut key to open the download folder from your Mac. Next is command D, duplicate the selected items. It's same like copy and paste, but in the copy and paste, first you have to copy, then paste. This the shortcut method to duplicate. Just select the items you want to duplicate and press the shortcut key. The selected items will be duplicated in the same location. Next is option shift command Q, force logout of your window. When you press this shortcut key, your Mac will be force logout. Then you need to log out, not log the screen. Every window will be closed, so you have to reopen. Next is control command Q, immediately log the Mac screen. Your screen will be logged, not log out. It's different than log out. Next, control command power button to force a restart. And next is shift command 3 to take a screenshot. This is a very popular shortcut key, so you must know this is the take screenshot. And if you want to use the selected screenshot, you need to shift command 4 to capture a selected area. Next is shift command 5 to screen recording. When you use this command, your screen will be recorded, so you can capture the selected area recording or full area, so you can use this option. Next is spacebar. It's quick look or preview the selected item. If any item, folder or any item you want to quick look, not open, it will be quick look. You can press spacebar to look and hide, the same key. Next is Command Control F to full screen of showing window. If any window is open, you want to full screen, you just use this command shortcut key. The open window will be shown full screen. Same command, press this command again, the full screen will be exit. Command space to show hide the spotlight. You can use this command to show or hide the spotlight. This shortcut method to open the spotlight on your Mac. Next is and last is Command W to close the showing window. Just press this command, the open window will be closed. So I hope you like this video. Do please like. Thank you for watching.